kind always, every day. Use kind words in what you say. Smile at friends, help when you can. Kindness grows across the land. Kindness is a superpower. Let it bloom just like a flower. Honesty is strong and true. Say what's right in all you do. Tell the truth and you will see people trust you happily. Honest hearts are brave and bright, shining like the morning light. Clean your room and brush your hair. Put your toys back here and there. Wash your hands, your face, your feet. Being clean feels nice and neat. Clean and tidy, yes, it's true. Brings a happy day for you. Help a friend, don't walk away. Little hands can save a day. Lift a bag or tie a shoe. Helping makes a hero too. Helping hearts are big